This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the deep sea penny diver. So I have all the decorative pieces laid out here. I've already put my liner for the inside of the card on, and I have lined this piece here with my foam tape. So a penny slider, you can use a penny, but I have glued together 5 circles. And then you want a piece of dimensional tape, and you want to make sure it fits and moves freely in the slot. Okay. So, you just want to test it, make sure it'll move freely there in that slot. Okay. So let's go ahead and put together the few pieces here that need to be put together. Oh, and I'm going to need a black marker. Because this fish is so small, he does not have a cutout eye or an eye to glue on because it was just too little. But you can just use a black marker, if I can open it, and I'm just going to give him an eye, just like that. Okay. I kind of wish I would have waited to put the foam tape on so that this piece would be flat while I glue the scene in place. I mean, it's not bad, but I could make sure it was adhered better if it was flat. You want to make sure that these pieces are down flat too, because you don't want the diver getting stuck on them because they're popped up. So you don't want to pop up these pieces here. That would be in line with our diver going up and down for that purpose. And this one just lines right up in the corner. Oops. Just line that up to the bottom. Now, if you want to leave the top a little floppy, you can. I think I'm going to let that stay up a little bit. I don't think my diver will get stuck way over there. And you will notice the coral pieces do have a flat bottom there on the, it's not a stalk on a coral. I don't know what that would be, but there is a flat bottom, and you can line that up to your edge. I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I'm not going to glue down just the very tip top. I'm just going to let that be kind of free. Give it a little bit of dimension. Okay. Now my last fish. Okay. And then our last one is our jellyfish. I'm just going to glue the top part. I don't think, unless they get bent, the bottom pieces should not get in the way of anything. Okay, and now let's put our diver together. This is the face mask. So you just want to center that in this circle. Whoops. There we go. So now that looks like he has the heavy mask on over his suit. And then this is going to stick to this. But you have to make sure that you put it through here first. And I'm going to go ahead and put it up to the top so that I can make sure that where I stick it, he's not. And then he can slide down. So that's what makes him the deep sea diver. Okay. I probably could have made that piece there a little bit thinner, but he slides pretty good. And this isn't adhered down, which I think will also help. Okay, bum, bum, bum. Okay, let's see. Now there is a border all the way around, so you just want to kind of eye that. Then adhere him. There we go. Okay. So he does slide up and down. You may want, my foam tape was not very thick. I don't know if this one's thicker or not, but you might want to do 2 layers and that would help him move more freely. And make sure that when you glue him there that that piece is thin enough. And you know, maybe if I add, I'm going to pull him off here for a second. I'm going to add another layer to this as well because that could be what I need. He might need to be a little bit higher. But this is the tight piece. So my foam tape is not quite high enough. There. There we go. Now I taped it on there. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so you want that to be a little bit higher, and you want, and he fell off. And you want this to be a little bit thinner. That does help. And now I'm not going to move it until this dries once I put this back on. I'm going to give that time, enough time to dry well. And then there's some bubbles you can add. Now he's in the way of where I want to put some of the bubbles, but I'm not going to move him yet. He's not dry enough. So the bubbles can be either for your fish or your diver. I'm kind of putting mine in line to be my diver's bubbles. See if I can just push them down without touching. Yeah, there we go. I don't want to pull them off. This one I'm just going to slide right in there like that. Okay. So there he is. That's the deep sea penny slider. I'm not ready to move him yet. Let's see. There we go. And he slides up and down, diving into the depths of the ocean. Thank you for joining me.